Hello everyone and welcome back. Today I present a very simple recipe. The recipe of the dough to the carters. The ingredients: 300 grams of spaghetti, a few basil leaves, a clove of garlic, 400 grams of Piccadilly tomatoes, pecorino cheese, extra virgin olive oil, salt, and peperoncino to taste. We begin to prepare Piccadilly tomatoes in very thin sliced. We cut the tomatoes into small pieces, as you can see. Crush the garlic and then add the other ingredients. I take a knife. I put a moment from the bowl. Cut the basil leaves into small pieces. Here I coarsely chopped basil and tomatoes to join. I add a bit of salt and 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Mix all the ingredients and let it sit for 10 minutes. We are in the kitchen where we put to boil water with salt in the pot. Add the spaghetti. The pasta is cooked and drained. Add the to our seasoning mix. That scent, how wonderful! This recipe is a very fast and convenient to do for those with limited time. Pasta that can be eaten comfortably even in summer when it's hot because the dressing is completely cold. I prepared the dish for my guests. I put some tomatoes yet. A bit of extra virgin olive oil, some grated pecorino, decor with basil leaves. Thanks for following me. Enjoy your meal.